out in the name of the person who has secured more votes. The second prayer we do make outside this is this, that we cannot have, whatever the outcome of this petition, we cannot have the self-discredited person who is giving false affidavits and doing all these things to be the chairperson of the IEBC or anything at all. And so we are also saying that there are two prayers in relation to this. The Article 3 of our Constitution says this. Article 3, sub-article 2. And this is at the heart, I pray, of the judgment that this Honorable Court gives. 2, any attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution is unlawful. Any attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution is unlawful. And so, in what is a 34C? A 34C is what leads to 34B, which leads to the declaration of a precedent, which is the formation of a new government. That is what was going on the 15th of August there. An attempt, and even here, right now in this court, there are people who have filed things in contravention of the saying that what is in contravention of the Constitution is correct. And right here in this, there is an attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution. It's unlawful. So, if this Honorable Court finds that Mr. Chebukati is responsible for and has committed actions and decisions which are an attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution, we pray that you make a holding that he has done such an attempt, which is a mechanism within the Constitution itself and within this election petition's four corners, and a second and another declaration that this person, pursuant to Article 33, sub-article 2, is no longer fit to hold public office. We go further. Is it possible that we can stop it by stopping Mr. Chebukati alone and we submit? No. It doesn't matter whether Mr. Chebukati will find another Mr. Chebukati next time. We have to stop those people who do not take those steps, but who take the benefit of those steps. And those people who take the benefit of the steps which the Constitution itself says is unlawful cannot take public office on the basis of a false 34C, 34D, of a declaration made by a person who knows he's made it falsely, so that we also pray that those who seek to benefit from the wrongdoing of Mr. Chebukati are themselves caught by Article 3, sub-article 2, and you have the powers to make the same orders, that they too are making an attempt to establish a government in Kenya otherwise than in compliance